All right, my friends, so today we are going to work with a brand new word family. We're actually going to work with two new word families today. So I have them back here on my board. But before we get to that, we are going to need, for your part to practice later when we are done with our lesson, today all you're going to need are your little cards with the words on them. So we're going to look at the words and we're going to sound these out together, and then we're going to decide what is the same about these cards and words. So let's sound it out. Ready? P, a, t, pot. Let's sound this one out. N, a, t, not. This one is h, a, t, hot. So think to yourself, what's the same about all three of these words? You're right. They all have at at the end, so they are part of the at word family. Now I have some other words, and I have a, mop, t, a, top, and the last one I have here is a, hop. So let's think, what is the same about all three of these words? That's right, they all have op on the end. So now I want you to think of other words that might have at or op on the end. And while you do that, I'm just gonna wait and think. I know we could have cot with a C on it. We could have cop with a C on it. We could have dot. Could we have dop? Does that make sense as a new word? Dop. Nope, that one doesn't make sense. How about, let's see, bop with a B. B-op. Does that make a new word? Yep, it does. So now we're going to look at these words and we're going to sort them into at and op word families. So I'm going to mix them up, mix them up, mix them up, mix them up. Let's see what word we have to start with and where we're going to put it. We have, let's sound it out, at, not. At, op, not. It sounds like it has at in it. So I'm going to write the word not. And see how it has the at to match the at. Get all my markers ready so I don't have to get them out later. All right. How about this one? At, pot. At or op? At. At. Hot. At. Hot. I promise you, I mixed them in my lap. I did not find all of the ats all at the same time. At. Hot. So now we know that these are my op words. So Miss Schultz is just going to write them all up there. We have mop. Let's sound it out. Mop. I had top. Hop. Hop. Now, when we were using our thinking brains, we thought of the words cop and cat. So we had cop, cat. So if you think of other words that would go in our word family, go ahead and add them to your list when you are making it with your families at home. So the last thing you're going to do today is you're going to take your little word cards, the little square ones, and you're going to spread them out and you're going to sort them into at and op word families. And then you can either write them on your whiteboard or another piece of paper, or you can just sort them out and read them. Make sure you practice reading them. It might even help if you underline the word family part in another color using a pen or a colored pencil, kind of like we did last week when we were looking for the words in our book. We circled one in red and one in blue. You might do the same thing this week. I hope you have fun practicing the at and op word families.